Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Landmark Community by Lennar here in Henderson, Nevada. In this video, we are going to be touring the Nora floor plan. Now the Nora floor plan has a nice balcony in the primary bedroom as well as a bedroom downstairs. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Landmark by Lennar here in Henderson, Nevada. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the southeast side of Las Vegas. We're in an area called Black Mountain Ranch. Now, it's a secluded side here in Henderson. We're actually close to the mountains, but at the same time, we're not too far away from a bunch of places. On the way to, we have Hoover Dam pretty close by. We also have Boulder City that's close by. Okay, so I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans: the Elliott, Nora, and Diana. Now the Diana does include a next gen suite, but the base prices are going to range from $546,990 all the way up to $603,990. Now guys, whenever you see base price, just know that upgrades and the lot premiums are not included, okay? The thing about with Lennar, the way they work here is everything that you see in the model homes are pretty much standard. The only upgrades that buyers will make are like flooring, cabinets, and countertop, okay? So that's why the actually out the door price isn't too far away from the base price. So if you're looking at the base price, I would add probably about 8% to that, and that'll be your out the door price, okay? Here they are also they have spec homes, they have move-in ready homes, and just in case you want to, you know, pick your flooring and the cabinets and stuff like that, they have options for you guys as well. As far as the HOA goes, the HOA here is going to be $59 a month. There is a SID assessment, guys, so you pay $683.44 per year, okay? Now, the amenities in this community include, there's going to be a dog park close by. You're going to have playgrounds. You're also going to have a splash pad. So great for kids. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome to the Nora floor plan. Now, the Nora floor plan is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,704 square feet, and the base price is $567,990. Now, guys, out the door, you're looking at about $590 to $600. Okay. Now with the Lennar homes, guys, just know the only other upgrades that buyers will normally do is just the like the flooring, the countertop, rarely backsplash, but everything else that you see in the house is going to be included. Okay, so paver driveway is included, desert landscaping is included. This is also a let me see here. Oh, this is not a next gen suite, but it does have a bedroom downstairs, so we'll check that out. So this is going to be the entry door, guys, 8-foot entry door. You also have this ring doorbell that's included, which is great. The mission style railing, that is included as well. Now flooring, again, guys, so the standard flooring for Lennar is going to be the standard flooring for like all the other builders, which is going to be carpet all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. You'll have like the, except for the wet areas. Yeah, all throughout the house in the wet areas, you'll have like either a ceramic tile or like linoleum. So the wet areas would be like the kitchen, entryway, bathroom, laundry room. Now, if you want like no carpet on the first floor, except for like, you know, the bedrooms, then, you know, you could definitely do that upgrade, which most buyers do, like 95% of them do. Here, I'll walk you through the model real quick, at least through the first floor, so you have a good idea of the floor plan. So living room, okay, dining room, kitchen. All right, so you have this like nice large kitchen, plenty of cabinets over there. You're gonna have the door to the garage, coat closet, storage space right over here. You're gonna have the door to the backyard. Okay, well, we'll start off here in the front of the house. So you're gonna have a bedroom on the first floor. Now, I know that's also important to a lot of buyers, having a bedroom on the first floor. Okay, so this is welcome to the full bath down here. So you're gonna have your walk-in shower, sliding glass door. This is gonna be the cultured marble countertop. So the cultured marble countertop, as well as the undermount sink and the faucet, are included. As far as the cabinets goes, guys, I think the standard cabinets are gonna be just white, but the gray cabinets are upgraded. Just in case you want to know, just, you know, shoot me a text or call me. I'll find out that information for you. So here you do have a walk-in closet. Now this room, you're gonna have a bedroom downstairs. Here, let me check the measurements here. This one doesn't seem too spacious. So yeah, this is gonna be 10 feet this way. Okay, so it's gonna be 12 feet, so 10 by 12. Also, guys, the accent walls are not included. You're gonna have extra white by Sherwin-Williams. For the paint finish, it's gonna be flat paint all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. I believe you're gonna get the semi-gloss. Okay, you also have the flat corner edging. You also have the knockdown texture. The baseboards here, I think they're about 3-inch baseboards. You're gonna have about 2.5-inch door casings. Okay, 6x7 doors, transfer grills up top, help regulate the airflow. Now also, I wanna show you this, because I didn't show you this when I walked in. Very high ceilings. Okay, so right up here, you're gonna have your loft. You also have this controls the security. This controls the programmable lock in the front. So yeah, we'll head to the second floor. Now guys, if you are interested in a community like this, you know, be sure to give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below, or even, you know, shoot me a text. Now, if you are working with a realtor, at least let your realtor know you are interested in a new build community. You want to make sure they're with you on your very first visit. Otherwise, if you go to a new build community and you give them your information, like your name, your email, and your phone number, they won't let you have agent representation down the road. And you definitely want agent representation, because the new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with a new build. But we do for you guys, so we look after your best interest. We negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. We make sure you get all the max builder incentives, and the builders pay the realtor fees. So it's definitely a no-brainer, guys. Okay, this is one of the guest bedrooms right here. Here, I'll take measurements. Okay, so it's gonna be 11 by 12. Now every room is gonna come included with a pre-wire to the ceiling fan. You also have your nice walk-in closet. Now again, guys, the area that we are in, so we're here in like the southeast side. So definitely a bunch of like restaurants you could go to close by. But you know, Hoover Dam is not too far away. You got Boulder City, that's pretty close by. So, you know, you're gonna have like beautiful mountain views in the area. Because you're in Henderson as well, you're pretty close to like that auto mall area. So there's like a Costco over there, more retail stores, shopping centers. That's just gonna be like a few exits down as well. Okay. So we got this room as well. Okay. Similar in size, it feels like. Also with a walk-in closet. This is going to be like a full-size bed. Okay. This loft, this is a nice cozy loft, guys. Really like it. And then right here, you're gonna have your full bath that these two bedrooms will share. Okay, so the medicine cabinets, I noticed that there's a sticker no longer available, so probably won't include medicine cabinets. I feel like most people don't use them anyways. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So we got undermount sinks, guys. Again, everything is standard except for this flooring. The flooring is optional flooring. Okay, fiberglass shower tub. And then the blinds are not included as well. So take a look at all the lights we got here. Okay. So we got these 3 lights, and then we also have, so we got another like 4 lights right here. Pre-wire the ceiling fan. Okay, so here, this is gonna be where your laundry room is. Now again, washer and dryer is not included. Smart panel box, this is how you set up your internet router and your modem. Now also, I forgot to mention that in the second floor, you will get 9-foot ceilings. Okay, and you have this for like, this is gonna be for your linen closet. Now, welcome to the primary bedroom, guys. Check out that nice balcony. All right. See that balcony? If you were in any other builder, you probably have to add about maybe close to $20,000 in upgrades for that. But you know, that's included in the base price here in Lennar. Okay, so you're about 17 feet that way. Okay, about 16 feet that way. So plenty of space, guys. I mean, you can see this is going to be a king size bed. Look, we have these oversized things over here. These side tables or drawers. Okay, so the balcony is locked, but good sized balcony. All right, so we got his and her sinks. Okay, remember the bathroom options, you can't upgrade at all. This is going to be the setup, guys. So this is standard. This comes included in the base price. You're going to have your separate shower. You're going to have your separate tub. Now this is a good sized walk-in closet right here. All right, guys, so let me know what you guys think of the Nora floor plan. If you guys have any questions at all about the community, or if you want to know what the builder incentives are at the moment, reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys next video.